how to delete everything on the laptop or PC. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you remove or erase everything from your laptop. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to go on the source field and type settings, and you will have to open your settings, and again from here you'll have to type recovery here and go for the option like recovery option. And here you will have to go for the option like reset this PC. So it is on the recovery option. So simply click on this reset PC. And here you got two options to reset your PC. Like you can keep your files, remove app and settings, but keep your personal files. And as usual, you can remove everything. That means remove all of your personal file, apps and settings. So simply now we are removing everything. So simply click on this option. And now you will have to choose for the Windows install process. So you can install Windows from cloud, or you can also install the Windows from your local device. So I recommend you to choose the local device because you may have the official licensed Windows. So click on this local reinstall and go for the next and simply follow the procedure ahead to erase everything from your laptop. So if this video was helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon for more quick tech tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.